So I'm heading to Videopro at Helensville Homeworld to visit a couple of good friends of mine. Just getting that lane. So Videopro, from my experience, is the place that you need to go if you want a freaking good deal on your next new TV or your next, you know, they specialize in like audio visual stuff, so like, you know, home theater systems and, you know, speaker systems and TVs and stuff like that. They've got a huge range. Their prices are very competitive, and they're very they give you deals that you'd be stupid to refuse, essentially. They've been very, very good with me. I've known them for a number of years, and I buy a lot of my camera gear from there, like my lenses and GoPro accessories and stuff like that. And they can always, I mean, what if they don't have anything in stock that you want or something, they can order it in from their suppliers and whatnot. And I'm actually waiting for some. I've actually got something ordered from them that I ordered a couple of weeks ago, so I might just pop in and see if it's there. I might be able to pick it up. If not, then screw it, I'll just pop in and say good day. Because they always want me to update them on how my motorbike's going. So the manager there, his name's Adrian, and he's a really, really nice guy. He knows what he's talking about. You know, he knows how to give you a good deal, and, you know, eventually you'll be friends with him, and he might even give you a little, you know, friendship discount. Well, he does with me anyway, but I won't push my luck. Yeah, so they never have. Well, this is the shop right here, Videopro Audio Visual Specialists. Can't park in the handicap zone. I'll have to park around the back because there's never any parking there. I mean, sometimes, actually I might just park right here will do. So yeah, come to Videopro if you guys want a good deal on your next TV. I'm essentially giving them free advertising. Free advertising via YouTube, Vulcan Cam Man. So yeah, I might even grab a selfie with my phone to use as the video thumbnail. Yeah, I'll do that. I won't be able to have my bike in the background, but I can at least have my helmet on. Yeah, I'll do that. So just give me a second, I'll turn the camera off and get my phone out. Yeah, so Videopro is the place to go if you guys want a good deal on your next, you know, they sell drones, they sell cameras, they sell, they specialize in more like, you know, TVs and, you know, home theater systems and stuff like that, but they also do a lot of, you know, electronics, like, you know, laptop computers, and that's funny. And you know, they do GoPros, they do drones, they do you know, they do a lot of really cool stuff. So I would highly recommend to get your next TV from these guys, because they know what they're talking about. They'll give you a really good deal, and I've been coming to them, their first choice for me. I mean, every time I need a new piece of equipment or whatnot, I'll always come to them first, and everywhere else is basically plan B, so eBay or, you know, another electronic shop or whatever. So Videopro has always been the number one for me, so I might go in and say good day. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Catch ya.